Hi, I wanted to give you some pointers on the O1 IXL word pattern analogies. If I look at this, we want to complete the pattern. Real becomes reality, so practical should become what? So if we look at this one ends with an AL, this one ends with an AL, and then here we just add an ITY. So the word then would be practicality. So you just type that in. You do have to spell it precisely. So make sure you do that right. Look at the next one. Critical becomes critic. So skeptical, which would be a person who is critical is a critic. A person who is skeptical is a skeptic. So we look at the same spelling pattern. This one ends with IC. We want this one to end with IC. We're just cutting off the AL on both. Cure becomes curable. Dispute then would become disputable. So look at the spelling pattern. Even if you don't know how to spell disputable, you can look at what we have here where we've taken off the last vowel, the E, and then just added ABLE. So here we'll take off the E and add ABLE. Drama becomes dramatic. You see drama right there. We're just adding a TIC. So aroma would become aromatic. So all we've done is add the TIC at the end. One more. Brother becomes brotherhood. We're just adding a hood at the end. So parent becomes parenthood. Okay, so that's the way you do it. It should be pretty easy if you just look at the spelling patterns and match them exactly. Have a good time.